Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Lnfi network token on Binance Alpha. So Lnfi token just get listed on Binance Alpha and I'll show you how to buy it. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search LN and you can search it and you will find LN on Alpha. This one, you can click it. Then this is the charts, guys. It's not looking bad, I think, not really bad. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will find the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. You can also check their social media and website, and you can see the audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can simply click right here in the bottom. Then you can swap your BNB or other token to LN, or you can use limit order. You can put the price here, whatever you want. And yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.